Hey buddies, hello everyone on the Asab trading channel, your humble servant Asab here, and as always we are here to fill our pocket with a little bit money, and for that you'll need to watch today's powerful and simple trading strategy. Even a monkey can handle if you show it 3 simple actions. Due to the recent news related to the cryptocurrency growth and in general with Bitcoin turning heads again, interest in cryptocurrency has begun to rise again, as well as interest in binary option trading and trading in general. Over the past week, our close VIP chat has gained about 50 new users, which of course make me happy as someone who trades directly with you and strive for the benefit of all of you. I want our interaction to be as comfortable as possible and for everyone, absolutely everyone, to earn from this. People understand that they live in an era of technological progress where you can earn without leaving home and without having much experience. You can just watch and follow me, but for that you need to be subscribed to my main Telegram channel, link in the description. And of course, I would be glad if you like and comment under this video. It will help me promote the video and motivate me more and more. And now let's get started. First, let's set the settings exactly like mine. Today's time frame will be 3 minutes, and of course we will be assisted by some wonderful indicators. The combination for this trading strategy will be the following: Beer's Power indicator, OSMI indicator, and our Bellow Alligator indicator. Let's set the indicator settings exactly like mine. Okay, time frame 3 minutes 30 seconds, and so before us is Euro GPI currency pair. And so guys, I'll enter the upper position and let me explain everything to you in more detail. First, when trading with this strategy, we pay attention to the Beer's Power indicator, which is presented to us as a current moving line without boundaries. It's all very simple here. If the line is directed downward from its start, it's a signal to enter down. If the line is directed upward from its start, then it's a signal to enter the upper position. That is all very simple, friends. Everything as we like it. In our case, the line is directed upward from the start, so we correctly choose the direction. Next, we look at the OSMI indicator, which shows us with its histogram that the candles are indeed in the low range, and this is a clear and direct signal to enter the downward position. Everything is clear with this. Now we turn our attention to the alligator indicator, which with all 3 lines shows us the bearish direction downwards. Again, almost as clean a signal as from as OSMI. So we currently determined the entry point. Now we just need to wait for our profit, guys. So and price on our side, guys, it is very amazing. Okay, and the first, guys, Beer's Power, like it. Beer's Power, okay. And this motion, Beer's Power, shows us a very simple direction and very basic direction on upward trend. You just look at this, guys. Yes, this little bit shows us a direction on upward trend, so it's okay. But if we watch for OSMI indicator, this indicator shows us a downward trend, but I told you that will be reversal. And depending on my experience, own experience, guys, I can tell that this price will be in our side on upward direction, and so it is skill just only for me, guys. Only I can predict news like this, predicts currency pair, predict price like this, and so guys, it's all. In the market you can find a lot of situation, guys, and so in this situation you must be in the cold head. And so if you have experience, you must addition your experience. Exactly, guys, exactly. And so indicators can show you very more, but it is not definitely your goals, you know. And so we take this profit, guys, and find some new conversion situation like this. Okay, euro GPA currency pair, so it is very good. We will stay on this same chart and try to enter precisely by the signal for the 3 indicators. So I'm going down and let me explain everything in more detail. First, we look at the bear's power indicator. It shows us with a curved line a smooth downward movement with a turn upwards. I interpret this section as a direct signal to enter down, as it will now reverse. Next, we look at the OSM indicator, which shows us with its histogram that the candles are still in the lower range, and this is a clear and direct signal to enter the downward position. Everything is clear with this. Now we turn our attention to the regular indicator, which is all three lines shows us the bearish direction downward. So we correctly determined the entry direction. Now we just need to wait for our profit. If you are a beginner and have absolutely no experience in trading, as well as if you have a certain experience in binary option, you can trade on my signal absolutely for free, with the opportunity to receive a promo code for doubling your first deposit. All you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and join my private channel where I publish from 6 to 16 training signals per day. Just write to me in private message, teach me, and I will tell you all the details in more detail and help you make money off your initial dreams come true. All you need to do is repeat my actions step by step and be subscribed to my channel. Hurry up, spaces are limited. Join us and start turning now after watching this video. I'm gonna turn a second, guys, and press on our side. Okay, we just stay on this currency pair. Okay, it is okay, all okay, and definitely we catch second trade. You know this, cause in this case we enter two signals, 3 indicator, guys, and just look at this. And the first burst power shows us in little bit motion in the lower zone, guys, and it's okay. OSM indicator shows us very clear signal, just this candle line and downward zone, and so it is signal for trade to enter to downward position. So, and if we watch for indicators, the 3 line shows us downward direction too. It's clear direction. So, and we're just waiting for our profit, guys. So it is king change. So we take this profit, guys. $170 on my account. It is very good, guys. So I correct my deposit for one deal, and so we just what we can see, we see IDCNA currency pair. I entered 3 deals, guys, 3 deals, and so we just definitely wait for our profit, guys. And so what we can see, guys, yes, the first, if we watch for bear's power indicator, we can watch that this line shows us an upward direction, a little bit upward direction. Okay, it is not a very clear signal, but it is okay. So if we watch for RSI indicator, we can see that this price, this red candles like an upper zone, and it is very good signal. It was very good signal, because OSM shows us a downward direction or upward direction, I'm sorry. So these candles like an upper zone, and it will be in direction in upper trend. So okay, and if we watch for alligator indicator, 3 indicators shows us, 3 lines shows us an upward direction, definitely, guys. And so in this moment you can see that the 3 indicator shows us an upward, clear upward direction, guys. Just look at this bear's power and OSM indicator and alligator indicator shows us an upward direction, guys. It's very good. I love this. I love situation like this, because 3 indicator shows us definitely the same direction, guys. It's very cool. We just waiting for our profit, guys. So time expiration 3 minutes 30 seconds, guys, and time frame 3 minutes today for us. And so it is very good, very good. I think that this trading strategy working very well, guys. It is third trade for us. Yes, first trade, second trade, we take away this profit, guys. In this third trade, and I think all will be very good and okay, guys. Just waiting for this profit, guys. And so we're just waiting for around 35 seconds, guys. It's okay, buddies. You know that this trading strategy will working very well, guys. In the finish, this video, you can watch this, guys. I think it will be definitely on our side, guys. All trades today. Market very hot, but for us it's favorable situation. Boom. Okay, my account $330. Okay, in the beginning it was $15, guys. Just look at this. So let's move on and find some suitable situation for us. So okay, Audi cut, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and so currency pair, and I'm just will enter upward direction. And so let me explain everything in detail, guys. And so what we can see, it is two very clear signal for us, guys. And the first, if we watch for bearish power line, it shows us that line just going to upper zone, guys. It is okay. It is very clear signal. So if we watch for RSI indicator, we can see that histogram shows us red candle on upper zone, guys, and it is second signal, clear signal to enter an upward direction. And so if we watch for three lines indicator alligator, you can see that these three lines shows us an upward direction. Clearly upward direction. This line just look at upward zone. So the first, the second, the third indicator shows us very clear signals again. So it is very fantastic, guys. It is very delightful. I love this. I love things like this, guys, because three indicators shows us, when three indicators shows us clearly your signal, and everything will be okay, guys. Everything will be good. So I just very patient wait for my profit. But I'm not patient guy, you know this. I'm like it's house, and it is okay. But in binary option, I can take all what I have. And so for finish 1 minute 30 seconds, guys. So just waiting for this profit, this amazing profit, guys. Not forget about risk management and money management, guys. It is very important for you. It's important for all, for everything, what you see, what you know. And so we're just waiting for our profit. The price is a little bit nervous for me, but it's okay. I think all will be okay in the our side, guys. Boom. Okay, I have $600 on my account. It's crazy, guys. Sound very crazy. Okay, LBP USD currency pair, guys. 3 deal. I enter in upward direction, and let me explain everything in detail, guys. So, guys, this signal, like the same signal, we just look at this picture, guys. It appears power shows us, this line shows us, and a little bit very horizontal motion, and near on upper zone, I think, and it is signal for upward direction, I think. Okay, if we watch for the second indicator, this indicator shows us a histogram with red candles lying in the upper zone, and it is second signal for upward direction, guys. Okay, if we watch for Analytical indicator, this tree line shows us in two upward direction, guys. Tree indicator shows us in upward direction. It is very, very good, guys. It is very sound. This sounds like fantastic, guys. You know, it is fifth straight, and you know, I begin from $50. You just look at this, guys, and in this moment, I must win around 1,000, guys. It is crazy. From $50 to 1,000, guys. It is unbelievable. Like this, sound like this. I don't know. And so what we see that the price in our side. I like this. And right now I withdraw my profit in the finish and take the money, and we'll go into rendezvous. I don't know if you know what is it, you can do this, do the same. But begin, just enter to my previous channel, guys, and earn a little bit money for your mood, guys, for your mood. Woo! Profit obtained $1,200. It's crazy, guys. So, and just now before you rise, I increased my deposit in just 5 trades from $50 to $1,230. Just imagine these numbers, guys. If you're tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all the way and start earning with me. If you're watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until next time, profit to everyone. Hugs to all until it crunches.